I saw the teachers' community, I can't stop thinking myself as principal. He makes sure all is well in school. Yes, that's true. He's the one who ensures safe, happy and welcoming campus for all. That's great, but this also requires good decision making and managing skills. I'm really happy to see all the professions. I wish I get a chance to play all the roles in real life. There are many other professions as well. Chefs, engineers, writers, coach, musicians, government officials, etc. You can be anything you dream of. बस तुम्हें अपने पैशन को फॉलो करना है और खूब मेहनत करनी है. I love your enthusiasm, and you know you don't have to choose just one thing. Oh really? Yes, my child. कुछ भी choose कर सकते हो. You can explore different interests and learn new skills and see what makes you happy. I think I want to explore them all. Thank you for showing me all of them. There is a whole world out me to explore. You are welcome. Remember, the sky is the limit. Whatever you decide to be, we know you will be amazing. Keep exploring, keep learning, and enjoy the journey.
If you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its life believing that it is unworthy of anything good. Japan is a child belonging to an accomplished family. His mother is a respected scientist and dreams of making her son an even more successful scientist.
कसके जूता कसके बेल्ट हम उसके अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा समय रहो मंजिल का इशारा समय रहो
Being new to school, Japan struggled with his studies. He disliked maths, which made it a very difficult subject for him. The maths exam was approaching and he had to do well. He often worried that he would let his mother down. And you know what happened? Japan failed his maths exam and was afraid to face his mother. His mother too was very upset and couldn't believe the result. Japan cried a lot. Japan opened up about how he missed playing hockey with his school friends. Japan was now excited to start training as he had joined his school's hockey team. But his mother didn't know about it. Japan began to train under Miss Nevi's guidance. He finally started feeling confident that he had found his purpose in life. It was the tournament day. Japan's mother was invited to school. Japan led his team to an outstanding victory and everyone applauded his efforts. Japan's mother was surprised, but proud nonetheless of her son's triumph. She hugged Japan tightly and said, "Thank you for showing me the right path, and I promise to support you in your dreams."
लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में सांस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना करता है, आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं।
So once again, a loud round of applause for the amazing performance here. Their hard work and practice has really paid off. The confidence, the enthusiasm and those bright smiles, what a wonderful sight it was. And now, as we come to the end of this beautiful ceremony, we want to take a moment to appreciate the joy, laughter and memories we all have shared together. Our little graduates have shown us that how bright the future is with their enthusiasm, creativity and hard work. And now, to officially express our gratitude, I would like to call Aruhi to deliver the formal vote of thanks. So let's all welcome her with loud claps, please.
Good morning, everyone.
Good afternoon, Aruhi.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, as we celebrate the kindergarten graduation day, I, Aruhi Verma, want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you on behalf of Delhi Public School, Patiala. I want to thank the Almighty for making today's event a resounding success. With His blessings and grace, we were able to make this event what it was. A heartfelt thanks to our guests for being a part of the kindergarten graduation day. I also want to thank our respected principal sir, Mr. Santosh Shukla, and our coordinator ma'am, Mrs. Shweta Goyal, for creating such a wonderful place for us to learn and grow. A very big hug and thanks to parents for being our biggest cheerleaders. You were always there to help them in everything. They couldn't have done it without your love and support. Thanks to amazing teachers of kindergarten. You taught them everything from ABC to moral values and always made learning a fun. For that, we are truly grateful. Finally, I would like to thank our budding rock stars who made this event joyful with their impressive performances. Thank you again to everyone who made this day so special. Thank you.
Thank you, Aruhi. And yes, the anchors are to be called onto the stage. I'll just check, sir. They had gone to change their costumes. If they have changed, I'm just calling them. Just give me a minute. So thank you, parents, for being a wonderful audience over here and being appreciative for the kids and the energy that you all spread around here. Thank you so much for gracing the occasion. And special thanks to Dr. Shanta Kumari for being a guest today and actually making this event a lively event for us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your presence here. Saisha was a little child who was actually asking about all the professions, and Arohi, who gave him the formal lamp lighting and the vote of thanks. So let's also welcome Tahira and Dhrivika. Only Arjun is left, so he's changing, he's coming in a minute.
So please welcome them.
So being joined by the father too, Arjun Singh Meera. So then hand for them. They did a wonderful job, isn't it? Smile, please. You're being appreciated. Have a smile on your faces. He's continuing with the active role of a father. Thank you, kids. Come back, please.
Kids are ready for dispersal. Towards my right. The dispersal is towards my right only. So class 1, Lilies.
लाइया मोहब्बता दूरे दराज लाइया मोहब्बता दूरे दराज अखियां तो होया कसूर है अखियां तो होया कसूर मारी मेरी शिले दिना चंबा शिमले नी बसना कसौली नी बसना शिमले नी बसना कसौली नी बसना चंबे जाना जरूर है चंबे जाना जरूर
Towards my right again, class 1, Marigold. Thank you parents for the patience and cooperation.
Thank you very much.
So is there any parent who wants to show some talent, sing here or dance here? So you're welcome to come up onto the stage.
हयाती पंजाबी बन जावे
Class 1 roses, the students are ready for dispersal. Towards my right side again, the dispersal. Class 1 roses.
तू कदी रावी लग जावे हयाती पंजाबी बन जावे मैं बेड़ियां हजार तोड़ मैं पानी विच सानी छोड़ना पंजाबी बन जावे मैं बेड़ियां हजार तोड़ना मैं पानी विच सानी छोड़ना जे तू कदी रावी लग जावे हयाती पंजाबी बन जावे मैं बेड़ियां हजार तोड़ना मैं पानी विच सानी छोड़ना जे तू कदी रावी लग जावे रावी विच पानी कोई नहीं ते अपनी कहानी कोई नहीं जे संग बेलिया कोई नहीं ते किसी नू सुनानी कोई नहीं जे रावी विच पानी कोई नहीं ते अपनी कहानी कोई नहीं जे संग बेलिया कोई नहीं ते किसी नू सुनानी कोई नहीं अखां च दरिया खोल के मैं जख्मां दी थां ते रोड़ना जे तू कदी रावी लग जावे हयाती पंजाबी बन जावे मैं बेड़ियां हजार तोड़ना मैं पानी विच सानी छोड़ना जे तू कदी रावी लग जावे
thank you for such beautiful compositions. Are you all enjoying it?
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, now class 1 daisies is ready for dispersal. So parents of class 1 daisies towards my right, please. Thank you so much, everyone. You want to hear them more, isn't it? Yes?
एक ऐसी मजबूरी हो गई कि सजना तो दूरी हो गई ते वेलियां दे नाम बगदी ए जिंद कदों पूरी हो गई एक ऐसी मजबूरी हो गई कि
Sir, we have an appreciation for you. This especially comes to appreciate your voice. कितने मैं खो गई इनकी आवाज में.
Thank you. Thanks. एक ऐसी मजबूरी हो गई कि सजना तो दूरी हो गई ते वेलियां दे नाम बगदी ए जिंद कदों पूरी हो गई ते मानिया दी राह छोड़ के मैं अपनी मुहार मोड़ ला जे तो कदी रावी लग जावे हयाती पंजाबी बन जावे मैं बेड़ियां हजार तोड़ना मैं पानी विच सानी छोड़ना जे तो कदी रावी लग जावे हयाती पंजाबी बन जावे मैं बेड़ियां हजार तोड़ना मैं पानी विच सानी छोड़ना जे तो कदी रावी लग जावे
Left with just 2 classes.
Thank you.
KG2 teddies and KG2 bunnies. The little ones, they're taking a little time to change.
Thank you.
So any parents, please, they're not yet ready for dispersal. KG2 teddies and bunnies are still not yet ready for dispersal. I haven't got the message, so you'll have to have a little more patience. So let's have one more song, sir. Okay, KG2 bunnies is ready for dispersal. So parents of students of KG2 bunnies, towards my right, please. KG2 teddies, your children were the last one in the performance, so you'll have to wait for a little more time.